One of PlanetTogether's core functions is its Optimize feature. This allows the scheduler to select different aspects of how to arrange the production schedule. To find where the optimization settings are created and edited, click Settings, then click Scenario Data, then click Optimize Rules. Multiple optimization rules can be set up and applied to work centers. Double-click an existing rule to see the different weighting structures that are set up and applied. For example, this optimization rule is set up for need date, and its highest weight is earliest job need date. There are several out-of-the-box settings that can be adjusted to be included when the schedule is being created. Under Operation Attributes, custom settings can also be added, such as safety stock levels. After changes are made, save and close. You can also add a new rule by clicking New, double-clicking the line, naming your rule, and locating the features that you want it to use. To return to the main screen, exit your settings, and here you can apply your new rule to your work center by double-clicking the work center, clicking the Optimization tab, and selecting your new rule. When your optimization is run, it will apply those rules and create your schedule as needed.